what I'm really particularly excited about is this new project being launched through this Indiegogo project, which is the Bluetooth encoder. Being able to dial up specific frequencies to deal with whatever it is that you're needing in the moment is really, it's a game changer for how we live our lives. The encoder acts as like a booster rocket. It lifts us up so that we can become much more effective in being who we are, much more effective in our everyday life. And being able to dial up specific frequencies on our smartphone or on our computer and have that sent to this pendant or this bracelet that we're wearing, I think will really take this to a whole new level. So just imagine what it would be like you need a good night's sleep and you need to wake up alert because you have a test you need to do, or a performance, a sports performance, or a business presentation. So you begin to dial in and set it for a certain time to begin to wind you down at the end of an evening and to become more relaxed, to let go of all the stresses of the day. And then as you get into bed, it begins to really bring you into a deeper level and helps you have a sounder sleep. And then right before your alarm goes off, it begins to dial in frequencies that help you begin to really become more present and begin to rise out of that sleep state so you're ready to greet the day, alert and focused and ready. One of the reasons I really feel like the encoder and this Bluetooth encoder as well will be real game changers is because they help us become more fully who we are. For me, the key word is it maximizes our potential as human beings. And we have the energy and we have the ability to really move in totally new directions. And in doing that, we're encoding new neural trackways, new ways of being. And that's that inside out healing piece. It's so exciting. I've witnessed with other people that wearing the encoder, drinking water that has the Entrainer drop in it, really affects us in such a way that it raises our entire vibration or frequency. And that's one of the reasons I keep referring to the encoder as a game changer, and I really feel it is and certainly has that potential the more people who utilize this kind of technology.